for the dog.
Why?
I don't know, so I can just like chew on it. I mean, if I was a dog and you got a bone, I would be begging to have it. I would be begging to have it.
You like chewing on dog bones?
No, I'm just saying, if
If
I was a
you
dog,
were a
I would be
dog.
begging to have it.
Yeah. Well, she likes to chew on her bones.
Well, not that kind of bones, the white bones.
Oh yeah, the rawhide.
Yeah, I wanted to try those.
You want to try one?
No, I'm a dog.
Oh, I thought you really
But
wanted to try one.
I love the chicken ones, the chicken wing ones. They're like my favorite bones for humans. I always I always eat the sides of the bones so I can get the extra skin off.
You're crazy.
Because I like the skin.
I don't do that. I just eat the meat.
I like the skin.
You like eating the whole thing.
I love the skin on chicken wings.
Well, she's kind of having fun.
It's starting to rain out
I
here.
feel it. A little sprinkle. Oh, now she's rolling. Just had a bath. She's getting another bath.
Wait, today?
Last night she had a bath.
Oh, yeah. She can only roll inside because I remember when you told me baths aren't good for dog skins. Can we go outside? Can we go inside now?
You want to go inside?
Well, if you want to.
Yeah, you can go inside, honey.
Yeah, a bag. A bag. A bag.
That's okay. Go ask Mom if she can make you some scrambled eggs and toast and butter.
No.
Yeah, they'd be good for you. You like scrambled eggs, toast, and butter.
I don't really like scrambled eggs that much anymore. I only like the white. I only eat the white boiled egg part.
Oh, okay. You don't like the yolk.
Yeah, I don't like the I don't like scrambled eggs anymore.
You like it when I make them.
I know,
That's
but
'cause
I'm not really a big fan of